Moment to come, now it's my time. I gotta make up for all them nights that my mama cried. I'm going in, I'm putting everything on the line. Dropped out of school to chase my dream, I had something for the prove. I put my all into this shit, man, I can't fucking lose.
What's up, everybody? It is currently 10:05 and we're starting our vlog today. We are headed out to run some errands. Got little man Taven here. Hey, be careful. Say hi.
Hi.
But yeah, if you hear any like breeze noise, sorry. Getting our day started.
Easy to dream a dream, though it's harder to live. They gon' love me for my ambition. Easy to dream a dream, though it's harder to live.
Boy, you about ugly as hell. But yeah, we all here.
Listen to me. That's a big ass bird. Look at that. It's right there. Damn.
Oh no! Ah!
Oh! You never left. But yeah, we'll catch you back later. Peace.
Stay the fuck around me if you ain't gon' ride for me. Told me you would never leave, how can you just lie to me? Yeah. Get from off your knees, you ain't gotta cry to me. Yeah.
Go on the inside.
We got to our first destination.
Hey, come here. You got something in here.
There's some big old cactus.
So look at that.
It's hot already, and it's not even one. Can't see.
So what do we do, Auntie? So this is downtown?
We're in downtown Kingman. You better not run me over. I'll sue you and get money. You too. See old people. They're just looking at us. Look at that. Cactus. They just sitting here like it's some decoration. Damn.
So yo, so we just got here to Walmart. Gang gang.
So what are we doing that?
Back at Walmart. I'm on a hunt, yeah. I'm on a hunt, yeah. I'm on a hunt, yeah. Who? Oh girl that was driving?
Yeah. Like 6 of them. Red one?
Oh yeah, for those that are wondering what we getting fruits for, we're making otay. Your face could be seen. Yeah, so we're making some otay. That's another video that might come out tonight. All depending.
Yarara.
Why are you on the first one to me? Left or right hand? Left or right hand?
Left.
That was off the floor.
Look, 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 look. Look, 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 look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
Hey, yo, where's that Shanghai lady? She kept staring at me. She was having a look at me like, how am I going this? Gang. Myself.
Left or right?
What?
Left or right? Honey, hold the camera. Left or right?
Left or right? You can't switch it. You gotta stay solid. I go left. Bro.
No.
No, my left.
No,
I said my left.
No, you can't lie like that.
Bro, people are watching, cut. Don't be doing that.
Nigga, you're a loser.
Right there.
Loser.
I'm not a loser. Oh, I get one chance. Switch. No. Now, remember yesterday? No, you can't say that. I could have said no here. Hurry up. Switch. Now you gotta pick something else.
Alright guys, I don't know what we're doing, so let's just go with it.
We're shopping for
Let's just go with it.
ingredients. We're shopping for ingredients for
I don't know why everybody's staring at me. It's weird. I think it's because I'm brown.
I see the banana green.
Oh my god, these guys are still going at it.
See? That's what happens when you're a winner.
This nigga, bro. Stupid.
We have to do honey. What the heck?
Who did the Henny?
What to do? I'm a cowboy. I'm from the wild,
I'm gonna hit the first, don't stop. Hype it up, then watch. I'm gonna bring it back down. Hey, we gonna talk back mine.
Sweet home Alabama. Yeah.
Ah, shit.
Left or right?
Right. That's your left. Right. Stop lying to people. You try to lie to me. Talk about
Thank
left
you.
or
Have a good
right.
day.
Boy.
Alright guys. I don't know where we're going. Follow me. So we're just gonna go down here. All the fucking condiments and shit.
If you ain't gay, don't bang.
Honey. Left or right? Yo, come on, man.
Left or right?
Left or right?
Oh, let's go.
What was the other one? Shit. Here.
Gang. I'll be gang. Shut up.
No, take two.
Look at that.
No, take three.
Brass.
Hey, watch out, you guys. Sorry.
Oh shoot, sorry.
Sorry.
Taking pictures.
So, yeah.
Dad.
Howdy, y'all. I'm a cowboy from Mojave, Arizona. I'm walking around.
I'm just looking at this nigga being hella stupid. I bet you this is not gonna be in the video. He's probably gonna edit it out. Surprise.
Damn, no, why didn't you hold Panty up?
Man, you guys look Samoan. Are you?
Yeah.
What's up, man?
Get that a lot. It's probably because I'm brown. But we're not in Alabama.
Sweet home Arizona.
Bro, this nigga, bro.
I wanna leave you.
Nigga, bro. Stupid. He's stupid.
Arizona. I'm coming home to you. Ain't no other. This is how your elbows look. Ashy. Oh yeah, so. Cause you know I'm feeling kinda salty. Sorry if my hair's all messed up.
My cousin.
You feel me? You hear me? Just the alcohol up? You feel me? We gonna turn it. Excuse me. Ooh. You feel me? I'm buying liquor. What you guys want?
Buy it. I'm just kidding.
What do you guys want? You feel me? I got it on deck. You know damn well you underage. You better, boy. But yeah. How you doing, sir? Good. Just trying to look something, start off the weekend right.
Hell yeah.
Hi. You enjoy your weekend, man? Feel me? Making a couple friends. Damn. Sorry. Turn. Now we in the soda aisle. We trying to turn up. Feel me? If you live in Arizona and you know where we at right now, oh my gosh. Yo, chill out, dude. Chill out. Alright. Hey, my man. What are you thinking about? Go dance, Steven. Dance. Run and dance. Go. Run and dance. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. I don't know who taught him how to dance like that. Was that you? You taught him to dance like that? Man, it's packed today. Everybody. Like everybody came from the Kingman area. Kingman.
Oh. Right here?
No, right here.
What are you guys doing? Chips?
Wow. Here, you're trying to record. Me and yo. Excuse me. Damn, bro. Hey, bro.
No, she said you could get cookie or chips for one thing.
Cookie or chips? Did you hear me?
Stop, before I throw this out your mouth.
Got her again, guys. Got her again.
Not already had.
Yeah, you thought. Here, record this down.
Bye, guys. You gotta
Mom, can I take this shirt?
go to work.
Mom, can I take this shirt? I'll be right home. You got one? Mom, pick the red burrito. Nice.
Thank you for everything. Catch y'all back at home. Yeah. What's up, y'all? So sorry if we didn't upload our 2 videos as we promised. Even missing yesterday, we're sorry for that. But you guys gotta know that we're new to this thing. Editing in itself, we promised. We try to. Taven, stop. Alright, 1, 2, 3. What's up, y'all? So this is our shout out for our vlog before we end the vlog video. Our shout out goes to
Tootie.
Yeah, thank you, Tootie, for sharing our content, shouting us out on your Instagram. Like we said, you'll get a shout out from us if you shout us out. We've seen a lot of people shout out our channel. Don't worry, your shout out is on its way. But for today's vlog, shout out is
My nigga Tootie.
thank you, Tootie, and thank you guys for subscribing, commenting, and liking our videos, and bear with us. But for sure, tomorrow we are dropping two heats for y'all. 2 videos for y'all. We're dropping 2 videos for y'all. That's a promise. We're just editing right now. We're trying to get a hang of it, and once we get a hang of it and we go down the future, ain't no more late uploads, ain't no more missing days. But thank you guys for bearing with us. We love each and every one of our subscribers. Thank you. Excuse JR. He's sleeping right now. He's tired. We're tired, but we had to get this video done. Well, thank you, Tootie, and peace out, y'all.
Look, feed them, ooh, hey, I'm a thug nigga till I die. Stand in the fan lane till I crazy. I ain't worried about a fuck nigga right now. Mind too busy thinking about cash. Time get back, I'ma be good.